The president is backing up his word that no one should be spared from scrutiny in the flood control scandal, which he first raised in his State of the Nation in late July this year. So unlike his self-righteous and holier-than-thou vice president, who's been talking up a storm of her fitness and readiness to lead, but couldn't even show up during a House probe on her alleged misuse or abuse of confidential and intelligence funds early this year. I have this report gathered by PTV senior correspondent Clazel Pardilla. Malacanang says President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is ready to face the Independent Commission for Infrastructure's probe into the flood control scam if there is evidence linking him to the anomaly.
Kung ano po ang maibibigay sa kanilang maliwanag na ebidensya, wala naman pong pagtututol ang Pangulo dyan. Kung sasabihin po natin na command responsibility, siguro magbigay na lamang po sila kung paano nila ililink ang Pangulo patungkol dito.
The palace stressed that it was the president himself who exposed the irregular flood control projects to the public.
Mismo si Pangulo Marcos Jr. ang nagpasimula ng pag-iimbestiga na ito. Nais ng Pangulo na managot ang dapat na managot.
The palace claims the anti-corruption drive is taking hold with 9 individuals linked to the fictitious flood control projects already arrested. Manhunt operations continue as investigators build cases to prosecute those who allegedly stole public funds. Critics say the administration is at its weakest amid the scandal, but Malacanang struck back.
At his weakest, ito ba bang panahon na to na siya po ang nagpaimbestiga? Hanggang ngayon po, maraming ginagawang aksyon para mapanagot ang dapat na mapanagot. Ang dami na po na napaaresto, marami na po rin na kinasuhan, marami na po na naibalik na pondo. Ito ba yung weakest na masasabi natin? Madali po kasing sumigaw na bumaba sa pwesto. Pero kung papaano papalakarin at pamumunuan ang gobyernong ito kapag bumaba ang Pangulo, ano kaya ang kanila masasabi?
Despite the controversies, Malacanang points the administration remains focused on holding the culprits accountable.
Nakafocus ang Pangulo sa patuloy na pag-iimbestiga sa mga personalidad na dawit sa flood control issue at buong loob na gagawin ang mga hakbang upang mapanagot ang mga sangkot at maibalik ang mga kinurakot na pondo. Para sa mga kababayan nating sumisigaw ng hustisya laban sa korupsyon, hindi kayo bibiguin ng Pangulo.
Jay Esteban for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.